Nakuha ni number 9 Garcia. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 1 Marquez. Flipping the ball out of bounds. Number 12 Garcia. Pass to Sarasa. Umatake, 2 points by number 30. Tapping. Number 1, pull up. Very good. Rebound by Patrick. Pass to number 9. Garcia from downtown. Number 16 breaks. Taluba, 2 points. Number 12 Garcia. Pass to Sarasa, out of bounds. Number 1 Marquez, pass to Flix. Fake, pass to Marquez, setting a play. Pass to number 13, 2 points. 2 points para kay Medina. Number 12, pass to Sarasa. Out of bounds, simple. 17 to shoot. Patrick, give out the ball. Pass to number 12. Garcia, pass to number 9. Garcia again, no good. Rebound by number 31. Espiritu, ginagawa ng bola. Pass to number 13. Pass to Marquez. No good. Pass to Sarasa. 13, no good again. Nakakuha ni Garcia. Bricks, dribbling the ball. Pass to Espiritu Matake. No good. Nakakuha ni Patrick. Number 4, pass to Garcia. No good. Rebound by Sarasa. Sarasa again. Foul. Number 16, first personal foul, first team foul. First shot para kay Sarasa. Basket niya. Second attempt para kay Sarasa. No good. Sa kanya pa din. Sarasa. No good again. Out of bounds. That's the same ball. 10 to shoot. Patrick Garcia, I found the ball. Pass to Garcia. Pass to number 12. That's a traveling violation. Remaining time 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 16. Pass to Espiritu. Pass to Reyes. Coming by Paulo Reyes. Garcia, pass to Sarasa. What a play by Garcia. Numbers. Reyes from downtown. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Bricks. Bumangga. Pass to Marquez. 5 to shoot. Espiritu, fade away shot, 2 points, basket. Garcia, to Garcia. Number 9 from downtown. No good. Rebound by Sarasa. Put back. No good again. Sarasa bumangga. And one play by Sarasa. Number 13, first personal foul, second team foul. Marquez setting a play, pass to Calupad. Calupad from downtown, no good. Rebound by Garcia, pass to Garcia. Lagi isa, 2 points by Garcia. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass to Medina, no good. Ready for substitution. Garcia setting a play. Garcia umatake sa loob. Kick out pass kay number 12. Laudano. 2 points by number 12. Paulo. Pass to Espirito and one play. Number 4. First personal foul. First team foul. Evangelista in. Bonus shot para kay Espirito. Oh, good. Rebound by Barsaga. Pass to Stephen. Stephen. Pass to Garcia. Pass to Stephen again. Back to Garcia. Garcia from downtown. No good. Nakuha ni Paulo. Paulo nagpamadali. No good. That's a foul. Number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. Basket jam para sa unang attempt. Basket again by Reyes. Barsaga. Number 13, pass to Steven. Number 7, back to Barsaga. JD Evangelista, 3. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Calupad, pass to Marquez. Marquez ng madali, kick out pass kay Paulo. Back to Calupad. Calupad, jab step. Out of bounds. Emerald ball. Steven, pass break by Garcia. Block by Calupad. Nag-flex pa. Pass to Paulo. Paulo. Steal by Barsaga. Barsaga, pass to Garcia. Garcia to number 23, 2 points by Santos. Ready for substitution. Paulo setting a play. Pass to Marquez. Marquez pasok sa loob. Calupad. Back to Paulo. Time to shoot. Paulo, no good. Put back by Medina, no good again. No good again. Rebound by Evangelista. Number 19. Pass to Garcia to Steven. Foul. That's a shooting foul. Number 16, Briggs Calupad, second personal foul, third team foul. First attempt para kay Steven.
Hindi mo nang pinlag.
And the shoot. Barsaga pull up. 2 points by Barsaga. Number 8. One to shoot. Espirito, pass. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Basket yan. Stephen. About the ball. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista dribbling the ball. Pumasok. Pass to Barsaga. Barsaga step back. Balik. That's a traveling violation by Garcia. Ay, si JD pala. Sorry. Number 22. Pass to Paolo. Paolo, not good. Rebound by Stephen. Pass break to Garcia. Garcia from downtown. Not good. Rebound by Espiritu. Pass to Reyes. Reyes to Bipat. Steal by Garcia. Stephen, pass to Barsaga. Barsaga, pass to Garcia, 2 points by number 24. Remaining time, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Tap in po tayo. Pass to Paulo. Paulo, isolation. Pass to number 22, tumangga sa ilalim, that's a foul. Number 19. First personal foul. 13 foul. Tapangan, air ball. Second attempt para kay Tapawan. Basket jam. Oras natin 1 minute and 40 seconds. Pass to Garcia. Pass to number 23, Santos. Pass to Barsaga. No good. Sa kanya pa din. That's a traveling violation. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Espiritu inbound the ball. Pass to Tapawan. Back to Espiritu. Espiritu, crossover, pumasok sa ilalim, kick out by number 13, Medina Naube, rebound by Stephen, may nakuha foul. Number 22, first personal foul, 14 foul, warning for penalty, 1 minute and 10 seconds, Evangelista, no good. Rebound by Espiritu. Pass to Reyes. Reyes bumangga. Step back. No good. Rebound by Stephen. Pass to Barsaga. Number 13. Number 13. From downtown. No good. That's an air ball. 50 seconds. Espiritu. Pass to number 22. Back to Espiritu. Number 31, setting a play. Number 31, that's a foul. Penalty. Penalty. Tapawan. Number 13, pass to number 8. Stephen, pass to Garcia. Garcia, ambulance, no good. Carry body Stephen again, number 7. Kick out pass by Garcia from downtown. 3 points by number 24. Steal by Barsaga. Pass to Steven. 1 second. Not counted. Not counted. Score natin 15-24. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 9. Number 8, Marquez. Pass to number 22, Tabawan. Back to number 8. Pass to baseline. Tabawan. Well, good. Sa kanya pa din. 5 to shoot. Okay. Nice. Steal by Garcia. Garcia, pass to Patrick, pass to Sarasa, 4-2. That's a foul. That's a shooting foul. Number 16, Kalupat. Third personal foul. First team foul. Second attempt by Sarasa. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Kalupan. Kalupan. Isolation play. Steal by Garcia. Garcia nagmamadali. 4-2. Pass to number 21, Laudato. Pass to Tabawan. Ready for substitution. Number 25, ginagawa ng bola. Pass to Kalupan. Kalupan. 4-2, no good. Rebound by Tabawan. Put back, 2 points. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Number 9. Pass to number 12. Laudato from downtown. That's an air ball. Sa kanya pa din. Spin move. Garcia. 4-2. Patrick Garcia. Trisha, maagin natin Trisha. Mamaya pa tayo strete. No good. Naribang ni Patrick. Patrick. Pass to Garcia. 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 That's a 3 seconds violation. Timeout, Emerald. Pass to number 1, Marquez. Pass to Morante. Steal by Barsaga. Pass to Garcia. Nag-iisa. Tumingin pa. No good. By Garcia. Marquez. Marquez nagmamadali. That's short. Pass to Garcia. Nag-iisa na naman. No good again. Iba pa Espiritu. Pass to Paulo. Pass to Marquez. 4-2. Short again. Patrick, kick out pass. Garcia. Garcia from downtown. 3. Remaining time 7 minutes and 3 seconds. Espiritu from downtown. No good. Nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Garcia. Garcia to Garcia. Steal, ready for substitution. Marquez, steal by Sarasa. Sarasa, lumipad. Pass to number 4, Patrick. Pass to Garcia, number 9, from downtown again. 3, back-to-back 3 points by Garcia. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Ready for timeout. Pass to Marquez. Pull up J. Basket. Garcia again from downtown. No good. Nakuha niya Espiritu. Espiritu nagmamadali. Espiritu. Pass to Morante. Out of bounds, that's the same ball. Timeout, recta.
Blue. Reyes, basket, 2 points. Ang bilis naman ng Reyes. Parang kakabibigay lang. Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Sarasa. No good. Rebound by Medina. Binitbit pa. Basket. Garcia. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. To Garcia for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Medina. Foul. Sub rep. Foul by jersey number 30, Sarasa. And Medina. Reyes to Marquez. Patangin ang jersey. Players. He was technical. Morante, sumalaksak. Basket. Garcia, winanhan lang. Pasok. Baby kalma. Reyes to Morante. Morante naghahanap ng papasahan. 30 to shoot. 10 to shoot. There's a foul by jersey number 23, Santos. Second personal foul first. Second team foul. First throw by Morante. No good. Mahina ang pulso ni Morante. Second throw. Yun, pumasok. Ready for sub. Evangelista. Pass to isang pasahan. Foul by jersey number 1, Marquez. Pushing foul. Sabre. First personal foul, second team foul. Garcia. They say Evangelista, no good. Rebound by Morante. Morante nagmamadali. Morante sumalaksak na layup. Basket. Steven. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Morante again. Ayan na naman si Morante. Pass to ECV ball. Barsaga. No good. Rebound by nakuha ni Santos. by Garcia. Reyes. 3 minutes and 9 seconds sa ating second quarter. Reyes. Reyes naghanap ng play. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 2 points by Morante again. 30-39 in favor of ECB for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Medina to Reyes. Reyes. Na-istilan ni Santos to Barsaga. Barsaga pass to Steven. To Garcia. Pass to Steven. There's a foul. By jersey number 23. Hinoveo. First personal foul. 13 foul. First throw by Steven. Basket. Second row. No good. Rebound by. Nag-agakan foul. Sino kaya? Ay, jump ball. ECB ball. To Garcia for the rebound. No good. Rebound by Panelista. Foul. Foul by jersey number 13. Medina. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 17 to shoot. Steven. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Barsaga. Barsaga. Nag-pick pa to Steven. Same ball to Raul to shoot. Steven. Pass to Garcia for 3 points sa Kidley. Now good. Rebound by Hinoveo. To Morante. Medina. Quinones. Counted foul. Who's foul left? Foul by jersey number 23. Santos. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus throw by Medina. No good. Rebound by Hinoveo. 2 points by Hinoveo. Aning na lang ang kalangan ng ECB. 40-34. Steven for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Morante. Morante. Penalty leg. Sino? Fourth personal foul. Kalupad. Warning for foul out. Second quarter pa lang tayo. Shooting for 2. Steven. Steven's no good. Kulang ko lang S. Sorry, kulang lang sa S. Second throw by Stevens. Basket na. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Reyes. Reyes. To Morante. 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 No good. Nakahin na nakuha ni Stevens. Barsaga. Garcia solo. Solo. Basket. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Reyes. Reyes hinaharas. Reyes. Reyes. 15 seconds. Reyes lumipad sa ere. No more rebound. Ayan na naman si Garcia. Solo again. 2 points. 50 seconds. Reyes. Morante, basket. Evangelista na-istiyawan ni Reyes. Sayang naman yung steal. Evangelista, 20 seconds lumipad. Rebound by Morante. 15 seconds. Foul. Hands for foul. Counted ref. Counted foul. Hands for foul. Jersey number 7, Stevens. 3 minutes rest. Jersey number 7. One free throw. And ball possession ng San Nato referee. Kinabahan lang ng 20 si Morante. Kinabahan pa yun? 14 seconds. May natutulog. Bawal mahinay. Morante. To Tapawan. 2 points by Tapawan. 5 seconds. Reyes. Ang ganda ng pagka-steal. Nakashoot eh. Reyes. Oh, yung shot niya. No good. Rebound by Sarasa. Kaya ba to? Hindi kaya to. Huwag mong pilitin. Garcia, Pasto Garcia, Pasto, Ipani, no good, rebound by Morante, to Reyes, 15 to shoot, Reyes, wow, Durable violation. Garcia. Pasto Evangelista. Loose ball. Recta ball. Morante for 3 points. No good. Ayan na. Si Patrick. Pat. To Sarasa. 2 points. By jersey number 30, Sarasa. Pangbaling pa ang aming trophy. Pasensya na kayo. Ang commissioner kasi po ay baklain. Kaya pangbakla ang trophy. Medina, 2 points. By jersey number 13, Medina. Sarasa na Sarasa. Nagmamadali ang lumipad. No good rebound by Medina. To Marquez. To Reyes. Sa amin lang po kayo makakita ng traffic pangbaling. Steal by Garcia. To Garcia. Jerome. 2 points. Jorel pa ba? Ayan na ang aming panabol! May boneless na bangus! Morante! Morante! No good! Morante pa rin! Inages! Basket! Stevens! To Sarasa! Sarasa! Siyempre! Basket din! Reyes! Reyes to Marquez! Nice team ni Sarasa! Sarasa to Garcia! Basket, ready for substitution. Morante, 2 points. Binara ko na ni Morante. Sarasa, Sarasa may kasamang ikot. Lagi sa game. 2 points by Sarasa. Morante. Lagi na lang si Morante. To Marquez. 2 points Marquez, no good. Rebound by Stevens. Stevens. To Wendy's. Ball now, good. Sakang na dali. Nakuha ni Garcia to Stevens to Garcia. No good. Garcia pa rin. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si Morante. Anong gagawin? Side step pa nga. Kanya pa rin. No good na naman. Morante pa rin. Basket na. Time out. Time out. ECB. Salamat. Stevens. Pass to Barsaga. To Garcia. Back to Stevens. To Garcia. 2 points. Garcia. Kalupad. To Reyes. Back to Kalupad. To Marquez. Marquez. No good. Rebound by Stevens. To Laudato. Laudato. Pass to Barsaga. To Garcia. Back to Laudato. Back to back. Laudato. 2 points. Kalupad. To Medina. Medina Hinages. No good. Rebound by Marquez. No good again. Kay Medina. Foul by jersey number 13. Barsaga. 14 to shoot. Ay, free throw ba? 2 free throws para kay Medina. Ready for sub. First throw, basket. Second throw by Medina. Basket again. Sabrep. Barsaga. Pass to Garcia. To Garcia, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Gusto mo naman? Reyes to Kalupad. Pass to Morante. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Hinagas no good. Rebound by Reyes. 13. Tumama. Yan. No good again. Rebound by Laudato to Stevens. Red the ball. Kalupad. foul by jersey number 21, Laudato. Sabre. Sub. Pasok, labas ang lalabas. 14 to shoot. To Reyes. 7 to shoot for the weak points. Rebound by Stevens. To Laudato. Pass to Garcia. Ay, Evangelista ba? Sorry. 2 points by Evangelista. Halupad. Pass to Morante. Morante sa malaksak. Morante umikot. Kanya pa rin. 2 points by Morante. Na-steal ni Halupad. 1 minute and 34 seconds sa aking third quarter. Reyes. 13 to shoot. 2. Tapawan, no good. Rebound by Stevens. To Laudato. Solid ni Laudato. 1 minute and 13 seconds. 58-71 in favor of ECB. Halupad, back to Reyes. 14 to shoot. Reyes, winanhan lang 2 points. 50 seconds. Evangelista. 13 to shoot. To Barsaga. 10 to shoot. Barsaga pumasok. Wala lang. Morante, pass to Halupad. Basket. 27 seconds. Evangelista, 20 seconds. Nice team, Reyes. Foul by jersey number 19, Evangelista. 9 seconds. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First throw by Reyes. No good. Foul. Patakin ulit ng jersey. Second throw. Basket na. 8 seconds. $20,020 lang naman. Garcia, pass to, nakuha ni Stevens, 15 to shoot. To Garcia, pass to Garcia for 3 points, no good. Rebound by Morante. Reyes, 15 to shoot. To Morante, 10 to shoot. For 3 points, no good. Rebound by Sarasa. Sarasa, nagmamadali. Sarasa, no good. Kanya pa rin. Sarasa pa rin. 2 points by jersey number 13. Sarasa. Reyes, 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Medina for 2 points. Basket. 2 points. Garcia Medina. Garcia. naghahanap ng pabasahan. 15 to shoot. Pass to Garcia. To Sarasa, no good. Kalupad! Kalupad! Foul by jersey number 12, Garcia. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw by Kalupad. No good. Second throw. No good again. Kanya pa rin. Kalupad again. 10 to shoot. Medina. Medina Hinagas. No good. Kanya pa rin. Rebound by Steven. Third personal foul. First team foul. Sarasa. Sarasa. Ball out. Sabi ng referee. Rebound by Reyes. Ready for sub. Morante. Muntik nang may steal. 10 to shoot. Morante umikot. Tinira. Umikot sa basket. Na-steal naman. Ang ganda naman ang pagka-steal. Ang bilis ni Kalupad. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Foul by jersey number 9. Garcia. First personal foul. Ilang second. 7 minutes and 23 seconds starting from the quarter. Kalupad. 12 to shoot. To Medina for 2 points. Basket. Stevens. Stevens. 2 points by Garcia. Kalupad. 15 to shoot. Back to Reyes. Attempt for 2 points. 2 points by Hinoveo. Barsaga. Barsaga. To Garcia. Winanhan lang ni Garcia. 6 minutes and 28 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Ready for sub. Seven to shoot. Reyes palong 2. No good. ECB ball. Ayan na si Garcia. Pinasa niya Garcia. Winin na again. No good. Rebound by Garcia again. Ready for sub. Pass to Garcia. To Garcia. Steal by Medina. To Kalupad. To Reyes. Foul by jersey number 12. Garcia. Subrep. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Sixteen to shoot. Medina. 15 to shoot. Medina. Back to Medina for 2 points. Basket. Garcia. Garcia. Sumalaksak. Ay, ball. Same ball. Same ball. Time out. Steven, pass to Garcia. Pass to Garcia for long two. Basket. Marquez. Pass to Reyes. To Tapawan, back to Reyes to Marquez. 10 to shoot. Marquez. Pass to Morante for 3 points. Bang, bang, bang by Morante. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol ng Renta. 79-76. Steven. Pass to Garcia. 13 to shoot. Steal by Morante. Na-steal naman ni Garcia. To Garcia for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Pass to Barsaga to Stevens for 3 points. No good again. Rebound by Garcia. Pass to Barsaga. To Garcia. Siya ang susubok ng tres. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Tapawan. 4 minutes and 1 seconds. Reyes. Isa na lang tayo. Isa na lang. Isa na lang. 7 to shoot. Morante for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Garcia. To Barsaga. To Stevens. May foul. Timeout ECB. First throw by Stevens. Basket. Second throw. Basket again. 76-81 in favor of ECP pa rin. Marquez. Marquez, pass to Medina. Medina, Hinages. Laging ganon, puro hagis pero pasok. Si Medina. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Garcia, pass to Stevens. 15 to shoot to Barsaga. To Garcia. Ay, Evangelista. Back to Barsaga. Pinasa kay Reyes. 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 2 points. Isa na lang po ang alamangan ng ECB. 80-81. 2 minutes and 47. Stevens. Pass to Barsaga. To Garcia. To Evangelista for 3. No good. Rebound by Tapawan to Reyes. Ready for sub. To Marquez. 13 to shoot. To Morante. Pass to Medina. 7 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Barsaga to Stevens. To Evangelista. To Robin in violation ng mga ating referee. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Marquez. Last 2 minutes. Morante. 7 to shoot. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by Tapawan, jersey number 22. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Stevens. Stevens, 15 to shoot. To Barsaga. Barsaga. Pass to Evangelista. To Garcia for 3. 14 foul, warning for penalty. 14. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang rekta. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Marquez. 15 to shoot. To Reyes. Ready for sub. Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Marquez. Morante again for 3 points. Back to back. 3 points by Morante. 44 seconds. Good. 2 points by. Good. Good yun. Hindi lang napindot. Reyes. Reyes. 30 seconds. Time to shoot. 24 seconds. 7 to shoot. Medina libre! Malakas na yan! Hindi natawan! Naistil ni Reyes! Foul! By Sarasa! 14 seconds! Penalty right, penalty! Kung dalawang fourth quarter, doon pa nakalamang ang rekta. Nanalo na natalo pa, sayang. Second for by Reyes. 13 to shoot. Basket. 11 to shoot. 2 points by Evangelista. 8 to shoot. Foul by jersey number 9, Jorel. Penalty. Okay.